I have a 2018 Durango here. I'm replacing the front speakers. I did the left side. I'm going to do the right side, but I'm going to show you the difference before I do it. Credit card maxed out, hey. I get lit, then I act out, hey. I ain't want to do it, but I blacked out, hey. They say I need to be fake. I think I need to be straight. Fix your vibes, you need to be late. You just need God or you need to be mace. I left my bitch, maybe we just need space. I got gunners like Chris, like Neezy. I got brothers like Tip, like Breezy. I got stunners like Wayne, like BG. I got a hood bitch all about the plan, and she only give me head cause the bed too squeaky. I'm too smart for a hoe, try G me. A bitch would be dumb if she ever try leave me. Say uno, dos, tres, cuatro, moreno, gringo, hembra, vato, gangsters, hustlers, killers, follow. I'm the realest nigga. I just hit the. We're gonna pop this out, pull the clip out, put that to the side. You got a 7mm bolt in here. It's like a little flip tab. Pop that up. $7mm bolt. Behind the switch, the door handle here, you got a tab. You're gonna pop that out. That's gonna be a Phillips screw in there. Now you just start popping out the door panel. Got a tab right here. You have Torx screws holding it in the speaker. Pop this clip out. There goes your Beats Audios. Pretty basic speakers, but it's just a name. This is what we're putting in there. Pioneer TS A693CH. Got this clip off of Amazon. Actually, we're gonna have to use these. These came with the speaker, so I'm gonna have to cut these, and then we'll just use some tape on them. Negative is solid black. Positive is gonna have the line.
You could also use some wire connectors. Tape is fine. All right, there we go. Now we hook up the positive and negative. There's a little slot right here for the wire, so I'm gonna just put that in there as well. Put the speaker in. There we go. Now we have the tweeter. Pull this seal out. Here we go. Pop the seal out a bit. Should be able to get to the tweeter. It has some clips on there. There's some little tabs in here that'll, you can push the speaker out once you put the tabs in. Pull the clip out of the tweeter real quick. There we go. As y'all can see, this little tabs here. We had these little tabs. You push these tabs in. This one. There's 3 of them. And then you can pull it out. And then the tweeter also has little tabs that hold it in. There you go. I pulled the tweeter out. Nice looking tweeter, but like I said, we're going with the new. I'm gonna just slide this in here. Just like that, you can't even tell. This came with the speakers. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the side of it. So as I can see, I just put some double tape there. Now the tweeter won't come out. Now I'll put the tweeter back in. There's a little tab right here. You'll see it. It's supposed to fit inside this little knot right here. You'll see it. Just twist it till it's in there and it'll pop in. There we go. Now with the cable that was hanging down, this goes to your tweeter. It has a little built-in crossover. So you just snap these in. They fit right into each other. You'll see it's a male and a female. You just stick them together. All right. These extra cables, I'm gonna just wrap it around here. Or you can put a zip tie, it's up to you. It's pretty stayed on pretty well. Let me just do the sound test before I close it back up. All right, now I'm gonna close it back up. Put this clip in. You're gonna want to push that in with your body to get this holder line up. All right, here's the after video, left and right side now replaced.
Chicken on me, could have went by the Williams or Rudy's, a big ass Popeye. In a whole different bracket, this life is immaculate. If you hit me for both, then you know that I'm taxing. Keep buying cause that shit still in the packages. If he say that he robbed me, he capping me. Really no niggas start sevens like Kaepernick. You not blind and you see that we have it. Known in my city, so no I'm not average. Came a long way from dope in the can. Niggas know that I still in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, I iced out the 10 for 600 on all I net. Paid it full like Mitch. Really having this shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later, I'm rich.
So hot, I'm dripping this hot sauce. Pop a shit, that make shit pop off. I don't need a brand, but I got a bag. I'm showing my ass and popping the tag. But I got a bag. I got a bag.